Welcome to the Artificial Professor, and in this video I will explain how to delete all Facebook posts. So let's start the process. Open your Facebook app. After it open, simply tap on your profile icon. So after tapping on your profile, tap on these three dots. From here, tap on the option Activity Log. Now, tap on the option Manage Your Post. So here are my recent posts. So now what you have to do, simply tap on the option All. So when you will tap on the option Your All post on the Facebook will be selected, because I have only 2 posts on my Facebook. So that's why only my 2 post has been selected. So after selecting the post, tap on the option Recycle Bin. And again tap on the option Move to Trash. When you will tap on the option Move to Trash, your all Facebook post will be deleted. So by this way, you can delete your all Facebook post at once. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next video of Artificial Professor.